how to make Yemeni beef burgers on easy mode. If you're vegan, maybe look away. You probably don't want to watch this. I've got the meat ready. Is it ready? I don't know. It's in water. We're going to find out exactly what we need to do. Hello, Sarah?
Yes?
What do you do with the meat?
Okay, you've got the minced meat. Is it not frozen?
It's in water. You've put it in water.
Okay, yeah, get it off the water.
Get out of the water?
Yeah, don't leave it in the water anymore. Make sure you rinse it off the water.
Right. So it's in a bag?
Just pour the water out.
Pour the water out, okay.
Yeah.
And then?
Yeah, water sauce. And then put one garlic. Water sauce.
One garlic, oh, slow down. It's still in a bag.
What? Yeah, we'll open it from the bag.
Okay, open it from the bag, and then what?
And then put a little bit of garlic.
But I need like a plate to put it in or something.
In the same container that you have.
Oh yeah, okay. So empty out all the water, and then open the bag, and then empty the water out of the bag, and then put the meat in the container. What meat is that?
That's beef.
Beef, okay. Okay, it's in the container now.
Okay, so put one garlic, crushed garlic.
Okay, one sec. 1 clove of garlic.
1 clove.
I don't even know where that is. Is that in the
fridge?
In the fridge. Oh.
It's in the small fridge.
Oh. I should probably wash my hands before I touch it. What, is 1 enough?
Yeah, it's a flavour only.
Okay.
You can even do it without the garlic.
No, I want it. I can't. So just crush it in, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna put how about I put 2?
Put 2 if you want. It's fine.
Alright, there's a bit of water there. Hold on.
Can you make sure that there's nothing in the oven as well? And put the oven on to heat a little bit so we can put the chips while we do all of this.
Alright, 1 sec. I'm just squeezing the garlic into the thing. Okay. That's 1. Hold on. Another 1.
I think I left a pan yesterday in the oven, so make sure there's nothing in the oven.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay.
We'll come back now to the burger. So you put a clove of garlic, and then you put salt and paprika.
Salt, pepper, paprika.
Yeah.
Alright, salt. No, that's pepper. Rainbow peppercorns. Why is it rainbow?
Sorry?
How much pepper?
How much what?
Pepper.
Just a little bit of everything, like a little bit.
Okay. And a bit of salt. And do I mix it now with my hands?
No, not yet. You're going to break an egg inside.
An egg, okay. Okay, crack an egg in there.
Yeah.
1 sec. Straight away, just go for it.
Yeah. Then you're going to mix all these ingredients together with a spoon, with a fork, anything.
Alright, the egg's in, and now I mix it with a fork.
Yeah, mix all these ingredients together.
Okay. Have a look. Okay.
Did you heat the oven in the meantime?
What number should it be?
200. The oven is not for the burger, the oven is for the chips.
Alright, let me empty that oven. It's empty now. Okay. The oven is on. And we're mixing
Okay,
this,
did you mix the ingredients together?
well, I'm still sort of mixing it. Hold on.
Okay.
The egg.
Bring a plate when you finish.
Bring a plate.
Bring a big plate.
Big plate.
Yeah, because after you mix the ingredients of the burger, you're going to make 4 burgers.
Okay.
4 circles.
Okay.
Flat circles.
Beef patty. 4 beef patties.
4 beef patty equally. I don't know if it makes. I don't know how much mincemeat is there. Maybe 4 or 3. It depends how much. You have to judge that yourself.
Yeah. Well, I think we can get 4 out of it.
Okay. Even if the 4th one is slightly smaller, it can be for Dawood. No problem.
Okay. So obviously I'm going to have to shape this with my hands.
Yeah, after you do this mixture, shape it with your hands to clean hands, of course.
Yeah, of course. I might just wash my hands again to make sure. I think that's all mixed in with the fork.
Okay, so now you make the beef patty.
Beef patty coming up. Let me wash my hands one more time with very liquid, as there's no hand soap. And then
There is hand soap. I just hide it.
you hide it. Where do you hide it?
I hide it under the sink.
It's alright. Okay, a big plate.
Anyway.
A big clear plate, glass one, yeah?
Yeah.
Beef and we're looking for 4 beef patties from the beef into here. Need to dry mine.
After you put these 4 beef patty, you're going to cover them with a cling film and put it in the fridge for about half an hour.
There's 1.
You put it in the fridge to make it like, you know.
Solidify it, yeah?
Yes.
There's 2.
يتماسك يعني بالعربي يتماسك.
2, 3. Okay. Like, do I have to press it really hard?
No, don't press it really hard.
Alright, just
Don't make it so thin, like, you know, just
like a lump. Alright.
you know, the size of a burger.
Yeah. Alright, they're 4 and they're pretty similar in size, I think.
Well done. Okay.
Wash hands after that.
Okay, cover it with cling film, please, and put it in the fridge for half an hour. And in the meantime, put the chips in the oven, لو سمحت.
Right, okay. So cover the whole thing in cling film, yeah?
Yes, لو سمحت.
And then put it in the fridge.
Yes.
Right. Where's the cling film? In the drawer?
It's not in the drawer. It's somewhere in the next to the oven.
Yeah, okay, I think I see it. Okay, how far are you?
About 5 minutes away.
So I'll just cover this and put it in the fridge and come back to it in half an hour.
Yeah. Put the sides in the oven, please. Now the oven should be ready.
Okay. Alright, that's it. That's
yeah,
part.
and then in the meantime, you can get ready. You can get the stuff ready, like lettuce, tomato, pepper, all of the other salads, you know, to go with the burger.
Okay. So we've put eggs and pepper with the thing, and salt. Did I put salt? We put eggs on the burger. We put them in the fridge, and the chips are going in. All right, Sarah. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
See you
Bye.
in a minute.